Hi everyone. Spring is coming, so we have to prepare how to prepare your body, get into the spring and get healthier in this season. So I'm going to tell you how to do it. And first, this Dr. Yu, 45 years, traditional Chinese medicine doctor, and it's my experience. So spring main organ we need to take care is liver. So what liver do for our body? Liver doing a lot of the things. Liver is the most hard organ to work for the whole body. So in Chinese medicine, liver is most important for women because associated with the blood production. But so as men, but our woman is #1 organ we need to take care of. And men is kidney is #1 organ they need to take care of. So, and women and men, the liver function work the same for them to tolerate the emotional, which is, that's anxiety. Anxiety caused from the liver. When the liver cannot process and whatever the job they can do, and indication that they show angry instead. So when people get angry, so the meanness, the liver function is declined. And second, and if we do and we don't do stretching, we don't do yoga, it's also make much more hard work for your liver, because the liver need to make elasticity for your ligament and tendon to keep your body flexible. So as we get older, then our tendon and the ligament is getting harder and harder and not move that much. So if we don't do stretching, it's going to decline our liver function. And other things is liver also work with the gallbladder. So if we eat too much things, junk, eat the processed food, eat the processed oil, which is the vegetable oil, no good, and canola oil, no good, sunflower seeds, no good, and a lot of vegetable make oil, they all no good. Why? Because if they put high heat to make the oil come out, they all oxidize. So if oxidize, the means they make our body rusting. So then the liver have to do the job to taking care of the rusting, inflammation from our body. So the liver is going to do harder, and also hurting your gallbladder, because gallbladder cannot process those and the toxic fat, the trans fat and anything, and they not making from the good fat. So that also put the burden in the gallbladder. So when the gallbladder is not functioning properly, then the bile duct is going to become sluggish. Bile duct sluggish, and the bile cannot travel to the gallbladder, to the stomach, and that function is going to become sluggish. People were going to have a burping and acid reflux and weeping, and that's how we get angry, build up, So that's the things we have to prevent it, even the spring coming. Because spring, when the temperature start getting rise, the people go out more activity outside, they used to eat wild, they use up all the body energy, and they don't feed. They don't feed the organ to function. So organ and liver, we have to feed to function for you. Just like we go to work, you need to get a paycheck, right? So liver, we in American, we do diet, we don't do nutrition. So we have the purpose feed our organ to function, which is liver needs the leafy green vegetable the most, because that assists the bile and production. So leafy green vegetable is very helpful for increase your liver function, and also the yogurt. So stretching is helpful for enhance your liver function. And of course, if you do something to relax yourself, don't get yourself in the stress and angry anxiety stage. That also help the liver and easy up, and the liver will do less job to consume his function. Then furthermore, we have to detox ourselves. The body has so much detox from heavy metal chemical and virus, bacteria, mold, Lyme, and anything in life, environment, and the air, the water, right? So they all have to go through the liver to do a job, filter out for us. Imagine that, how much the liver can do for you for a lifetime. So to ease up the liver burden and working, we have to avoid those things. So eat healthy and drink good water, you know, then breathe in more fresh air. And furthermore, reduce the electronic and use, like cell phone and iPad use and computer, TV, especially before we go to bed. Because why? Because the radiation is disturbing the whole body, just like we have vapors, the electronic vapors around us. How can the body can calm down? If we don't stop those things, the body would not calm down before bedtime. So bedtime, the first hour, we hit 11 o'clock and 11 to 1, 1 to 3, exactly that's the liver and gallbladder detox time. So those two organs, they only can do the detox when you lie down. They cannot do detox when you sit up. So if we're still doing the radio, we're still doing the TV, we're still doing computer, iPhone, it's going to put more disturbing energy to your liver. It's going to make the liver more agitated. So the liver would not calm down to do the job in that 4 hours to work for us. So it's so important. So furthermore, and liver will get help from the kidney. Kidney is the nurse organ for the liver. So if we can drink proper water, gulping, not sipping, and proper exercise, not excess exercise, and relax and not put a lot of fear and mindset in our mind, that help the kidney function, and the kidney would nourish and the liver function to make the liver work better in the summertime. Because remember, summer liver is the major organ. Then summertime and the springtime, that the liver have to face all the challenge for the new flu, any immune challenge is going to come to start the spring. They start alive again. So if we prepare our liver function good, so the springtime we're going to get healthier. I hope it helped, and please subscribe my channels. I see you until next time. Thank you.